How's it going? Sure. Let's just get this. How is it going? Today I'm going to be doing another sewing video. Wow. I'm just going to be doing a really quick and easy video today. It's going to be a shirt tutorial. Now I made the pattern for this shirt and I wear it all the time. Super comfy. It's just a crop long sleeve shirt and it's super easy to make, so I thought why not help you try and make it as well. I'm going to try and make two versions of this shirt. I don't think I have enough fabric. Hopefully I kind of have enough fabric. I might just have to make a short sleeve version instead of a long sleeve version, which is unfortunate, but we'll just see how it turns out. I'm going to be making two versions of this, like I said before. One of them is going to have dogs and cats on it because I have this leftover material from another project that I made. And the second is going to be the same as the cowboy dress. If you don't know what I'm talking about for the cowboy dress, I will leave a link and you can go and find that video and watch through that. I really love that dress. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to be starting with cutting out my pattern pieces. I have folded the fabric over 4 times, leaving the middle piece on a fold, so once I cut it, it will be 2 pieces instead of 4 pieces. I have one for my back and one for my front. Just going to pin those together, and then I am going to fix the neckline on the front so it comes down further than the one on the Then I sew the shoulder seams and also the side seams together. This is my piece that I cut out for my sleeve piece. It's just a rectangle and I just sew straight down the sides of that to make a big loop. But then afterwards I had to go back and cut a big triangle shape off just to make it more tapered to fit my arm better. After that I attached the sleeves to the shirt. On the inside, I have sewn everything together with just a simple straight stitch and then overlocked all of the seam allowances together to give it a nice clean look. Now for some fun cuffs. I decided to make cuffs that had thumb holes in them so that they would be super comfy and really easy to wear. And it was super simple to make. I will leave a link in the description below where I found the template to make these. It's just an opening and I've just done a zigzag stitch at the top and bottom to give it some strength. For the collar, I just got lengths of fabric that were the right length for the collar itself, sewed them together in the right spots, and then flipped them so that they had the wrong side of the fabric together, and sewed them to the collar just like that. I used the same stitches as the inside, but then on the outside I did a top stitch to make sure the collar sat nice. And this is what my shirt turned out like. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I had to do a few tweaks to it. I had to make the collar come down a bit lower just to fit my body a bit more, and also had to make the thumb holes a little bit wider so that they were a bit more comfortable for me. I'm really happy with it and I really enjoy the thumb holes. I think it was a really good little thing to add to this. So that is the finished product of my shirt. Now, I know I said I was going to make 2 different versions of this. I have the other dog fabric already cut out and ready to make. I just don't know where it's gone. It's been misplaced in my pile of sewing stuff. So I'm really sorry about that. I will be putting below a version of the pattern for you to try somehow. The pattern is in a size 16 to 18, so taking a couple centimeters off it, making it fit you, it should be just as easy as that. But that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!